Okay, so let's say you have a customer, a database full with customers. This is your company, and you have a database full with customers, and you be like, okay, I want to send them a letter to inform them about the discount that I'm having. So what do you need to put in the letter? Yeah, I'm going to give you an example. Remember, this is just a template. You can use it however you want, so you can change it however you want. It's just up to you. So let's start with the letter. Remember, we start with the signature. So this is the signature that we're going to use, and we're going to put the title, and this is technically the subject of your email or something. You put it discount offer. Yeah, sounds better, right? So in your subject, you put that, and then you can start. When you start, always start with the name. Be so as specific as possible. So here the name, and then I'm gonna write the first thing down, the first paragraph, and then we're gonna talk about that. Okay. Okay, so you can start, for example, dear customer, you put the name here, and then you be like, it's not every day that we are able to offer our clients some substantial rebates. That's why I am extremely pleased to inform you about how much percent discount you're gonna give them. Special discount offer we are making on all orders from the following items for the month of, let's say, January, next month, or February. It's up to you. Yeah? And then you put a list of the items. Yeah. So this letter is not that difficult, so it's up to you. Think about it, what kind of discount you're going to give, and put it in. So I'm going to write the second and the third paragraph, and then we're going to talk about some things that why you should send this letter. As you can see here, the second and third paragraph makes sense. Let's read it. Please note that this percentage discount is available on any order set for delivery between a date and the date and another date. Yeah, so the beginning and the end. This is a way to thank you for being such a valuable customer. We hope you will take advantage of this offer, and will send us your purchase order today. Should you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me. So technically, if you look at this, it makes sense. You put a couple of items, and then you encourage them to buy those items. There's nothing wrong with this. Keep in mind, it's important to time this well. If Christmas is coming and you're selling a lot of items, yeah, before Christmas, before people are making purchases, yeah, let them make purchases for Christmas, but don't put it in January, for example. So it's important to plan this well, and also think about how many percent you're gonna give. If this is 20%, this should also be 20%. If this is 10%, this should also be 10%. So keep that in mind, and keep also in mind this is a template. You can use it however you want. You can change it however you want, but this is just a guideline to help you out. So if you have question about it, just go to martisz.bo.link. When you're on that link, you can join the Law Center. And the Law Center, you can ask me question about this. So, see you next video.